Let's delete this background. Click on the cutout tool and then click on Magic Cutout. Make sure the remove button is activated. By default, the tolerance is set to 32. Keep the tolerance there and try clicking on an area of the background once. What that's doing is, according to the tolerance, it's grabbing the things that, according to the algorithm, the computer is thinking, okay, that's part of the background, and it deletes that, right? You might find this happening. Even if the tolerance is at 32, you might find that once you click, too much is being deleted. Part of your hand, maybe part of your artifact. If that's the case, you want to click on Reset Cutout and lower the tolerance. Okay, by default it's at 32. Maybe you want to lower it to 20. See, and then click to see what happens. The lower the tolerance, the less it deletes. Okay, meaning it's not going to tolerate. It's going to tolerate less of the pixel colors that it would normally delete next to it. Okay. So you want to play with the tolerance setting to make sure that not too much is being deleted. For my image over here, the default setting of 32 worked pretty all right. And keep clicking, one click at a time as you go around your hand and object. Once you have the majority of things deleted in the background, using the cutout tool, click on the drawing tool. And then over here, click the eraser tool. The eraser, the size of the eraser you can adjust with this slider. If you're farther away from your hand and artifact, use a larger eraser. However, if you're getting close to your hand and you try to erase it with this large eraser, you'll notice I start erasing parts of my hand. If you do that, just click, just on your keyboard, type Control-Z, and that'll undo it. If you're close to your hand or object, you want to make the size of your eraser much smaller so you have tighter control. Then you can erase the leftover parts of the background without erasing portions of your object or hand accidentally. Okay, so this is smaller eraser size the closer you are to your hand or object. And then these guys are farther away, so I can increase my eraser size to make my life a little easier here. And that's how you use the cutout tool followed by the eraser tool to erase your background.